everyone, welcome back. Today, we're making something calm and beautiful, a paper snowflake. Just like real snow, soft, delicate, and peaceful. Let's enjoy the moment together. Did you know every real snowflake has 6 sides and no two are ever the same? They form high up in the clouds when water vapor freezes around tiny dust particles. Nature builds them slowly, one layer at a time, turning something invisible into a tiny frozen work of art. In old legends, snowflakes were believed to be winter's gentle messengers, each one carrying a quiet message of change, rest, or renewal. In some cultures, they were seen as symbols of purity and peace. Scientists have even studied over 1 million snowflakes and never found 2 identical ones. That's why they're often used as a symbol of uniqueness and individuality. And here's something amazing: snowflakes actually listen to temperature. Depending on how cold or humid it is, they grow in different shapes: stars, needles, plates, or even columns. It's like nature designs them based on mood. Thanks for spending this peaceful moment with me. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, comment, and follow for more calming creations.